Products from American places. Chapter 1. Products from several American areas. California products for sale. AtlasSnowshoe.com, 888-48 Atlas. CaliforniaOnly.com. GiftsFromCalifornia.com. Hobie.com, 888 Hobie 21, surfboards. IndianMotorcycle.com. Jacuzzi.com. LeviStrauss.com. McCulloughMPS.com. RTKStudios.com, tiles. Seas.com, 800-915-7337, candy. VintageArdWoodCompany.com, furniture. UltimatesHoppingExcursions.com. 888-697-7733. Maine products for sale. Maine.com, everything about Maine. Atlantic Sea Farms. AtlanticCaFarms.com. Woman-run seaweed farming company. BrettUNSVillage.com. Lewiston, Maine leather crafts. Coast of Maine organic products. coastofmaine.com. coastofmaine.com/collections/all-products. Organic products. CrateFullOfMaine.com. Maine gift baskets. Down East. Shop.downeast.com. LisaMariesMedineMaine.com. Maine-made gifts and unique, handcrafted products. Maine gifts and food. Box of Maine. boxofmaine.com/shop. Maine Made. MaineMade.com. Maine Line Products, Maine-themed gift shop. MaineAlignProducts.com. MaineMade.com/products. Oceans Balance. OceansBalance.com. Seaweed Source. Real Maine. RealMaine.com. SeaVeg.com. Maine Coast Sea Vegetables. Seaweed Kings. SeaweedKings.com. Sopo Seafood. SopoSeafood.com. North Haven Oysters. The Woods Maine. thewoodsmaine.shop.com/collections/maine-made-gifts. Visit Maine. VisitMaine.com. New England products for sale. AngelaMoore.com, jewelry, clothing. ArnoldaRT.com. BannistersWharf.net, shopping mall. Basketville.com, baskets. BayviewGallery.com. Benjiery.com, ice cream. BotanicalLampshades.com. BowensWharf.com, shopping mall. BoydenValley.com, wine. Breckle.com, 800-767-6411, jewelry. BugBaffler.com, 800-662-8411, anti-insect clothes. CabotCheese.com. CBMapleFarm.com. ColdHollow.com, cider. CrossJewelers.com, 800-433-2988. DakinFarm.com, food. DexterFactoryStores.com. EverlastingImages.com, photo art. FarnhamHillCiders.com. Fathat.com, hats. 4to5thparallel.com, gifts. Knickknacks. Gardeners.com, garden supplies. GoldenPair.com, furniture. GraniteLakePottery.com. GreatBayPottery.com. GrenonsofNewport.com, jewels. Handcut.com. HappyJacks.com, cigars, etc. JTSChandlery.com, nautical gifts. Carolink.com, clothing. KeepsakeQuilting.com, 800-865-9458. KENNEDY-BROTHERS.com, antiques. KitteryTradingPost.com, 888 Knight P. Maine. LakeChamplainChocolate.com. LenLibby.com, candy. LLbean.com, camping stuff. Losterline.com, 800-403-6653, clothing, etc. linsnow.com, art. magichat.net, beer, etc. maincrystal.com. mainsugarmaple.com, 800-305-9932. maplesyrup-vermont.com. markforanstrike.com, clothing. mauricelacroix.com, watches. midcoast.com/c art. morsefarm.com, food. mostlymaine.com, 800-269-0400. mountainwanderer.com, books, maps. nespitphoto.com. newportcollectibles.com. nhata.org, antiques. nhata.org/prints.hdm, art. nhchocolates.com, 888-225-2531. nhmovies.com. normanrockwellexhibit.com. northstargalleries.com. portermusicbox.com, 800-811-7087. portlandmarket.com. puremaple.com. relmaple.com. arkingfinearts.com. robertcomptonpottery.com. royalmail.com, men's clothing. rudifrance.com, gifts. sanbornscandies.com, 800-926-5061. scrimshanders.com, 800-635-5234, baskets. shackletonthomas.com, pottery. simonpierce.com, glass. smithsmapleproducts.com, 800-281-0021. smuttynose.com, brewery. sugarbushfarm.org, 800-281-1757. tennisfame.com. thamesglass.com. theblelandclaw.com, furniture. the-chocolatier.com, 888 chocolate. thegoldenrod.com, candy. timberland.com, clothing. vermontcountrystore.com. vermontmaple.org. vermontdybear.com. villagecandle.com. vtattractions.org. vtmaple.net, 888 Lodge Haven. vtnatural.com. weathervanezafoods.com, 800-914-1774. wellspringgifts.com. windsorchair.com, 800-789-5188. woodstogoods.com, 888 Woods 2G. Ohio/Amish products for sale. amishfleamarket.com. amish-r-us.com. amishtraditions.com. basketvillageusa.com. craftassociation.com/charmcm.html. fioriware.com, pottery. lehmans.com. longaburger.com, baskets. stonebarnfurnishings.com. zanesvillepottery.com. 800-860-6456. West Virginia products for sale. Harper's Ferry FleaMKT.com. Holes.com, chocolate. wvweb.com. applog.com. POB 614. Ripley, West Virginia 25271. 800-458-9990. Log Homes. Lindell.com/cedarimages. 800-421-4461. Log Homes. mountainmade.com. 877 Dunmade. scenesofwv.com. 877-987-2363. Products of WV.